like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how an undercover minivan looks. The undercover van we will be looking at today is a Dodge Grand Caravan that our local authorities let us record. The most common police minivan is the Grand Caravan. It comes with a lot of different configurations from the start. A lot of police fleets also count with the minivans in their fleet just because it's so easy to move people around and it's so big for storage. You can order them with a lot of different colors and styles for depending on the work you need, like a K9 unit or individual cells to transport individuals. This vehicle comes with emergency lights and strobe lights in the front and in the back. In the interior, it comes with the computer to find information or scanning license plates or looking up individuals. Right in the corner, you can see it has a radar gun to see the speed, and it also counts with one in the back. It also has a loudspeaker and a control module for all the lights and sounds the vehicle emits. Also in the center console, it has its radio for two-way communication. On the co-pilot side, it has some of its arms right in the middle, and it also has a radio antenna and an internet antenna. This minivan in specific is used mostly to move prisoners from one place to another, sometimes to the hospital, dentist, and you can see it has individual cells so you can carry more people at a time. We couldn't record the inside of this one, but it looks kind of like this. The back space of the minivan is used for more storage. They can also adapt it for the K9 unit, like I said, or sometimes they have like long cells, but not this one in particular. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help me keep making videos like this for you guys. Thank you. Al final de este video te voy a enseñar más cosas que hacemos en este canal, como poner luces, estéreos y también cómo pintar rines sin tener que dañar la pintura y mucha más. Asegúrate de ver los demás videos. Gracias.